There's a lot of energy in all of these innovation hubs, which is a good thing because this is also a foot in the door for you to be able to say, I'm just going to plant a certain seed in somebody's mind.
Today, if I have a weak cell in this pack, I can literally right here replace a cell and the pack is good to go.
So we knew a lot of EV startups do the mistake of showing something technology enabled but not able to deliver. We work the opposite way.
We collect these end-of-life batteries, sort them according to the SOH, and then give it to refurbishing. And then we have a hardcore in-house designed mechanical processing where we separate the solid metals and electrodes. From these electrodes, at the end of the day, we eventually extract the metals which can be given to the cell manufacturer.
And it's also as simple, the mechanism is so simple that all you need to do is use two fingers.
You have to take one step, survive, take another step, survive, take another step, survive, take another step, survive. And if you survive for 10 steps, then the 11th step might be where, things go there.
Once you've determined the guy has some gumption or can do it for you, give them the real problem that you're facing in your organization.